Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a blogger, SEO expert, affiliate marketer, or agency owner, you already know how powerful Semrush is, but let's be honest, the official pricing is expensive, especially for beginners. So in today's video, I'll show you the 3 best websites to buy Semrush Groupbuy in 2026, and I'll also walk you step by step through one of them so you can see exactly how it works. Let's get started. 1. Supreme SEO. The first website on our list is Supreme SEO. They provide multiple group by SEO tools, including Semrush, Ahrefs, Moz, and many more at affordable prices. Go to supremeseo.com and click on Register. Enter your name, email, and password, then click Register. Now check your email inbox. Open the email and click on Verify Email Address. Once verified, log into your dashboard and proceed with the purchase. You'll see different group by SEO tools listed there. Today, I'll be purchasing Semrush. Click on Semrush and proceed to checkout. Here I'm paying via PayPal, but you can also pay using Stripe, credit card, UPI, Paytm, and other available methods. After successful payment, go to the Active Subscriptions tab. Click on Site Explorer or the Access button, and you'll be able to use the tool directly. That's how simple it is. 2. ToolsZap. The second website is ToolsZap. They also offer affordable SEO group by tools with shared access. The interface is simple, and you can purchase monthly plans depending on your needs. 3. Flickover. The third option is Flickover. They provide multiple digital marketing tools in one bundle, including Semrush, at a lower combined price. So guys, these were the 3 best websites to buy Semrush Groupbuy in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, comment your experience. I'll see you in the next one.